So a gap in the rain means I can bring you a quick update on the car. Basically from the last time you would have seen it, we had a day or less than a day to get the car in a running, driving position so that you could get the alignment sorted. So luckily managed to get that done with the help of my friend Ross. Big shout out to Ross for coming over and working in the snow, the wind and the rain just to help get this thing sorted. So you saw me do the front suspension and everything, so we did the same at the back. We've got gas coilovers on the back there. Nah, you can't see anything. So gas coilovers on the back, brand new discs, pads, lines, just everything replaced at the back here. And also you'll notice it's on different wheels. So it's on the 16s that we were running on the Cooper. So these are on Yokohama AD08 RS tyres. I think what we're going to do is going to use these 16s for track days, so the track day that's coming up, we'll be using these 16s. The 17s, we've got different tyres for them. So we'll be getting those sorted. We'll probably test these on the track day. That's it. We'll be getting rid of these road tyres and just putting track tyres on them. We'll probably test them on the track days, see what they're like, but we'll mainly be using these for track days and the 17s for racing. So yeah, still a lot to do, but at least now it runs and drives, basically. So yeah, like I said, we got the alignment sorted. So we have, there's not a lot they can do in the back, but on the front we've got 2.5 degrees of negative camber. You'll probably be able to see if I do that. So yeah, 2.5 degrees of negative camber and 1 mil of toe out. So that's our baseline to start with, and then we can tweak it to suit our driving after that, but at least that's sorted. So engine bay wise, there's still a few bits to put on. Yeah, we'll start getting everything sorted. Hopefully the weather improves, but we'll see. It's Scotland. I believe this is what they call front end service mode. So the supercharger service kit comes with these 2 long bolts which you put in, and then you can slide the front panel forward, and it gives you access to do like the coolant hoses and stuff without taking the whole clip right off. So yeah, that's my next job. We've got these hoses from Forge. To replace all the hoses at the front, and also we've got their expansion bottle and the 2 hoses that come from that. So I've already fitted those 2 hoses down there. So yeah, it's just 2 radiator hoses to put on now, and then hopefully I'll be able to get the front end back on. And yeah, so I'll crack on with that now. I'll put you up somewhere so you can see. Going for a bit of bling in the engine bay. We've got this is just a standard intercooler, but we've got an intercooler from Forge Motorsport on. So now we've also got, apologies for the wind, we've also got red, what they call stoot boots to go on. Also from Forge we've got a shiny expansion tank, because apparently the plastic standard ones, they crack or unseen leak. Not considered ideal really. So we've got this metal one here, and we've also got the hoses that Forge do, so from the expansion tank down to the thermostat, and then the radiator also to the thermostat, and they're all silicon Forge Motorsport hoses. Sounds all good. I'll put the camera up because it wasn't windy for a while. Obviously, as soon as I decide to put the camera up, it's windy. The joys of living in Scotland. So intercooler from Forge, hoses down there and there, expansion tank from Forge. So thank you very much to Forge for helping us out with this. Get that. Yeah, thank you all the way. Also, one thing, it's going to make doing the spark plugs a little bit difficult, isn't it? You also have to remove that to do that. But yeah, that's it.